In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add description to your Lovable AI account. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Lovable and look for the official Lovable website in the results. Click through to the site and sign into your account with your usual credentials. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're signing into the one you actually want to update. It's also a good idea to check you're on the legitimate site before entering any details. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You should see your profile avatar or your initials there. Click that to open the account menu. From the options that appear, choose Profile. This will take you to your public-facing profile page, where people can see information about you and your work. On your profile page, find and click the Edit Profile button. This opens the editing view where you can update fields like your bio. The bio, sometimes called your description, is a short summary that tells visitors who you are, what you do, and what they can expect from you on Lovable. In the bio field, type your description. If you need inspiration, a clear, professional sample is building smart, user-focused AI apps that solve real problems and scale fast. Feel free to personalize it so it reflects your niche, your strengths, and the value you bring. Aim for 1 to 2 concise sentences, avoid jargon your audience might not understand, and keep it accurate and authentic. This is also a great place to include a few keywords that match the kind of projects or collaborations you want to attract. Avoid adding sensitive information like personal contact details or anything you wouldn't want publicly visible. After you've written your description and given it a quick proofread for clarity and typos, click Save. Give the page a moment to update. Your new bio should now be stored with your profile. If you don't see the change right away, wait a few seconds and refresh the page. If the Save button is disabled, check that you've actually made a change in the field and ensure your internet connection is stable. That's it. You've successfully added a description to your Lovable AI account. A strong, thoughtful bio helps people understand your focus at a glance and can make a big difference in how you're discovered on the platform. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to refine your description.